In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Smart Collection on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you delete an automated or smart collection from your store. First, a quick bit of context. A smart collection is an automated group of products built from rules you set, like tags, price ranges, or vendor names. It updates itself as products meet or stop meeting those rules. Removing a smart collection doesn't delete your products, it only removes the collection page and any automated grouping tied to it. That means your items remain available in your store and inventory, but any links pointing to the deleted collection will no longer work. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Products. This takes you to the central area where you manage everything related to your items. From there, click Collections. You'll see a list of all your collections, including both automated and manual ones. To make this quick, use the search bar at the top to type the name of the collection you plan to remove. If you're unsure which is which, look for indicators or labels showing it's automated or smart, or open the collection to confirm. When you find the smart collection you want to remove, click the collection name to open its details page. Take a moment here to double check you've got the right one. If this collection appears in your navigation or marketing, remember that deleting it will remove its page, so any menu or ad links to it will stop working. In the top right corner of the collection page, click Delete. Shopify will prompt you to confirm because this action can't be undone. Read the confirmation carefully to be sure you're deleting the intended collection, then click Delete again to finalize. That's it. The smart collection is removed, your products remain untouched, and you can still organize them in other collections or create a new one later if needed. If your storefront used this collection in menus or featured sections, plan to update those links so customers don't hit a missing page. And if you don't see the delete option, you may need appropriate admin permissions or to refresh the page and try again. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need to tidy up your collections and keep your catalog clean and easy to navigate.